Fighting can be entertaining, especially when it's criminals versus cops. That's why today we have for you not just any criminals fighting cops, but Karens fighting cops. Stay tuned because as this video goes on, the clips just get better and better. This next Karen is literally named Karen. So a daughter and her friends were pulled over for having illegal tinting on their car, and then their mum, Karen, shows up and has a few things to tell the officers.
The storm of controversy started when Turner's daughter and 3 of her friends were pulled over in New Jersey for driving with tinted windows.
The receipt, this goes on file.
Mom rushed to the scene to find out what was going on.
What is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
We're not involved here. You're picking them up.
No, I'm involved.
Very quickly, Turner let it be known that she is a commissioner with the Port Authority. She was appointed by former Governor Chris Christie.
Why were they pulled over, first of all? Now, don't call me Miss. I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Turner also says she has friends in high places.
I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Throughout the exchange, the cops remain calm.
Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked.
Are you
I'm
finished?
shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale.
Okay.
You may tell me nothing.
But once the tape was released, Turner was called boorish and the village idiot.
Karen Turner turned out to be a commissioner with the Port Authority and was forced to resign after the dash and body cam footage was released. Unlucky Karen.
Turner resigned under pressure from the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, but with the controversy still raging, her tirade was discussed here at the board's first meeting since that dash cam video was released.
The conduct captured on the video is bullying and obstructionist.
Turner now says, as a parent, I was upset and uncomfortable with the unfolding events. I regret my tone toward the police officers and use of off-color language.
You may tell me nothing.
For this next clip, this male Karen was at a school board meeting. He refused to wear a mask despite being offered one multiple times by organizers. Police end up rocking up and told him to wear one or leave. Of course, the bloke refused both options, so the police are given no option other than to resort to using force.
Are you serious? You seriously gonna do this? This is embarrassing. School board meeting.
They're part of the policy. So, if you want, you can talk to $1 million or something like that. As of right now, they want you. Sir, I really don't want to.
I know you don't want to do it. I know you do not want to do it.
Yep.
I know this guy doesn't want to do it, but unfortunately you have to follow these fools' rules, right?
If it's part of their policy that you have to wear a
Yeah,
mask,
so force me out. You're gonna make, yes, you're going to have to drag me out.
At that point, you can.
This is what you are doing.
At that point, you could.
You are sowing discord within our communities at every level. It's disgusting. Do you harass your clients when they're at your restaurant to put on masks? Sir? Do you harass them?
We have a super selfish Karen who gets caught texting and driving red-handed and then proceeds to argue with the officer who pulled her over.
Yeah, take your picture in case you bring me to the ground with police brutality.
I need your license, your registration, and insurance. Can you please put your feet in and close the door?
Why?
Because it's for my safety and your safety.
Well, you see my hands at all times. Is this against the law right there? Am I not allowed
I need
to have...
your license,
is it against the
registration,
law?
and insurance, ma'am. You're willing to text with your daughter in the back seat.
Dude, I'm not texting.
You were typing and you look, there's a picture there and you're typing under with a green text bubble.
I'm not
comments
texting.
Comments on a picture.
This is a little thing. Just
Okay,
to let you
know
know,
what?
you may be an
Go
old
ahead
man.
and give me.
So I use this little thing.
Okay, I don't need your insurance.
Where I
I'll pull it up, ma'am.
Where I hit
You
this.
are going to be issued a
And I
citation
talk in my
today.
phone like this. That's not...
That's fine. We don't have one. Little boy.
This Canadian Karen couple put on quite the show. Basically, Ken here was originally pulled over for yelling at someone on his phone while driving, and when the officer goes to hand him the citation, he gives him the finger and hits a cop as he rather aggressively drives away. Assuming this was in Alberta, it's actually illegal to flip anyone off for that matter, let alone hit them with your car.
I'm at the hospital right now. I'm sitting in my vehicle and I'm keeping my composure, but I want this guy to off. Like, seriously, he's giving me a ticket for stunting because he heard me yelling at someone on my phone. And then I fingered him on the way out of there and told him to mind his business, and he's pulling me over for stunting again. I feel like driving away and starting a high-speed chase. This is over-policing.
Yes, sir. Just let me put you on hold for 1 second.
Now, this guy. There, I'm on the phone with your fucking boss, you d***. You try and bully me, you piece of you.
$67? Are you serious?
I'm waiting for your boss to call me. Off and get in your car. You're a f***ing little bitch. Give me my ticket and go f*** yourself, goofball. F*** you. F*** off, you bitch. You're a f***ing clown.
He like pushed himself against your vehicle and was like, "You just hit me." So now we have that to look forward to. These fucking idiots, man. For sakes. Again, here we go.
Gun on me now. Listen to him. He's hitting the truck now. He's breaking my window. Holy f***, get him over here.
Assaulting a police
Get him over here.
Doing?
Holy f***, help me. Help me. I won't.
Send somebody now, please. Got a gun on my husband.
He's tripping balls.
Send someone now.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Holy f***, help me.
Sakes, what are you doing? He didn't do anything. Send more people, please. There's another officer here, but he just told me to shut up. Please help. They're beating him up. Please don't hang up. I'm scared.
Okay.
He's under arrest and he's going to be held for a bail hearing. So he'll be under arrest until he speaks to a judge, and then he'll be released. You can't drive your vehicle into a police officer.
He didn't. He was
did.
pulling
I was standing
away.
right here and he pulled into the side. He sideswiped me. It's the same as any other motor vehicle collision, except for that it was with a person. He did it intentionally.
Can I please take this vehicle home? Like,
yeah. You can't drive with the window like that, so you might want to pull the rest of it out. I'm not helping you.
This Karen manages to capture herself harassing a cop who also happens to be her neighbor.
Send me a citation. I would love to see that.
Obsessive porn. And I have rear cameras on the way as well.
I beeped at you, yeah, because you shouldn't be trying to break into buildings.
Break into buildings? I just showed you that I live here.
Okay, but before that, I didn't know that, did I?
Is it your business once again?
I live here, so it's safety of me and my building.
Well,
it
you see,
is.
I have my key right here.
Okay.
And you're being recorded too.
Good.
Okay?
That's good.
It'll be on your citation.
I'm not getting a citation.
Oh, you are. You are.
No, I'm not. I'll fight it tooth and nail.
Fight it. You're still getting one.
Well, I'm not going to pay
I'll see you
it.
in court, though.
I'll see you in court,
Or when you
neighbor.
get your warrant for failure to pay, idiot.
Here we have Karen versus Cop Karen. While the dude recording here definitely has a point regarding the cops not wearing masks, you can also see no one else is in the store, so they are maintaining their social distance. Guys, let me know what you think of this one in the comments, because I'm sort of on the line.
If I don't wear a mask in the subway. What? Does the fine apply just to me or to you guys if I don't wear a mask?
No problem.
I'm just curious, like...
Well, you got
Actually,
it states that as long as you can maintain 6 feet distance, you don't have to wear the mask.
But you guys don't
if
look
you
6
want to
feet
step within 6 feet of me, I'll gladly put on the mask.
Okay.
So would you like to do that?
I mean, I feel like you guys are living less than 6 feet of each other.
You're the one that approached us, so would you
But I'm
like to
6
keep
feet
the
away
distance?
though. I'm 6 feet away though. Sir.
Okay, now we're 6 feet away and I don't have to wear my mask.
I mean, you should probably wear a mask during a global
You're the
pandemic
person that
like
calls someone, you know what I mean? Like, someone sells like water bottle on the streets. You're the person that calls them. That's what you are. Alright, Carrie, you're like the male version of Carrie. So have a nice day.
Really, sir?
Yeah.
Hold on, what's your name?
Yeah, you know that. I'm right there. Say.
Okay,
Yeah, have a nice day, man.
Thank you, you too.
Yeah, you too. Take care, Karen.
Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for protecting us during a pandemic.